Brought to you by the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation.
What I'm curious about is, what are we doing here? You and your team are working with healthcare employees to look for what?
So young children manifest these signs relatively early. So if you have preschool instructors knowing that if a child is consistently isolated, if that child doesn't want to participate in activities, or if that child is uber aggressive, that child may be an outlier. And you have to be able to know those signs and find out from the parents, is everything going well with this child?
Yeah, but hold on, let me play devil's advocate. First of all, you're looking for what? You're looking for certain kinds of behavior, doctor?
Right. So it could be, lack of memory, not doing well in school, having behavioral problems, overreacting to something that appears like a minor stressor. Those are sort of things that one can encounter.
So you identify it, but how do you train, whether it's teachers or healthcare workers, to deal with the parents who may, in fact, be the perpetrators of these adverse childhood experiences? That's what's playing in my mind.
Yeah, no, I think you have a valid point. I think that you have to know other members of the family. The key, though, is knowing that the child may be in need of someone to turn to. Whether you are a coach of a young child, you can be somebody who they see in nursery school. Children have an uncanny way of being honest. So they will say, look at my arm. And you'll say, what's going on? And you say, well, Daddy twisted it last night.
And we are asking of healthcare workers, of teachers, of principals and others who interact with children to frankly go further than they're going right now. That's what it sounds like you're asking, Doctor.
Right. But it's also about building resilience, right? So one of the things that we've learned is many of us encounter stresses in our daily life, but it's how we react to them that's important. So building a nurturing relationship, having children have the confidence in being able to communicate with their teachers, with others, with adults, having role models, being able to mentor children. This is also very important.
Also brought to you by Johnson & Johnson, Delta Dental of New Jersey. Everyone deserves a healthy smile. The Fidelco Group, and by the Russell Berry Foundation, making a difference.